painting my own butterfly and like blah blah blah. It's like thing. Then my mommy sent me colors and my color in purple and pink is my favorite color. And it's my favorite color. And it's my favorite blue is my favorite color. It's my favorite colors: purple and pink, blue and pink, and blue and pink, and purple and blue. How is the flower? It's a pet you want to listen. You paint my butterfly and you just paint it. Then you paint it faster. You paint it harder and faster, then you get the winner, right? It's help you get the winner. You get the winner, who's get the winner, and put on my it's in a piece of it's in the wood and that, and mommy showed me that.